In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF animation using my current favorite method, easygif.com. This process works on desktop and mobile and is completely free. There are now lots of great options for making GIFs pretty easily. Of all of the top apps I've tried, I prefer EasyGIF, especially for use in small contexts like a thumbnail on Dribbble. Increasingly, there are more and more places you can use an animated GIF, like the favicon on your website and your profile picture on TikTok. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a GIF and upload it to Dribbble on desktop. Of course, you can save, share, and use your GIF wherever you'd like. Okay, so let's get started here with Dribbble. When I scroll over this thumbnail, you can see it changes from being a static image to a moving GIF, and I've used two images inside the project to cycle between them. When I come back down to this thumbnail down the bottom left here, this Wayne's World one, you can see that when I hover over it, nothing happens. It's still a static image. So let's use this as a good example to turn this one into a GIF. Okay, so let's hop over to easygif.com/maker, or you can go to easygif.com and press the GIF Maker tab in the top left corner. Instead of choosing files, they'll upload alphabetically if I do it this way. What I'm going to do is switch to manually ordered upload, which is the hyperlink just below. When I click on this, a whole bunch of choose file tiles appear. So let's pick the first image. This is the thumbnail that we saw in Dribbble that was static. So let's upload that, click open, and you'll see it here. Unfortunately, there'll be no preview, but you can see the file name listed here. Okay, let's go ahead and upload the second image. I can see the name is listed here. So then I'm going to click upload and make a GIF. I clicked make a GIF again, and then I can see there's pretty fast moving GIF preview. If I click on these arrows down here, I'm going to bring it down to around 8. I feel like that's a good starting point. Let's have a look and see what it looks like. It's still a little fast for me, so I'm going to bring it down to 6. Okay, I'd like it a tiny bit slower than that, but we're getting much closer. Okay, 4 is good. I'm happy with that. Usually, if there's more than 2 images, I will have the level up around 10 or 15. But given there's only 2 images, let's go ahead and keep it at that speed. There are a bunch of special edits down the bottom that I'm not going to use. I'm going to click on save. Let's hop back into Dribbble and we can now upload our thumbnail. So I've clicked on the project, I've clicked edit, then I'm going to click to select my thumbnail. I'm going to click the add button here to add a new one, and I'm going to select my saved thumbnail GIF. Then I'm going to scroll back down to the bottom, click update, and let's go back to our profile and see what this looks like. You remember what it looked like at the beginning. It was fully static. Now let's see what it looks like. Cool, this looks great. Now that you know how quick and easy it is, you can go ahead and make GIF thumbnails wherever you need them.